Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving problem number 8 from the unit of triangles of class 10. The question is taken from exercise 6.2 in CBSE textbook and it is taken from exercise 2.2 in Karnataka state textbook. Question is like this. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. I will repeat the question once again. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So there is a line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. So we have drawn a triangle and there is a line by name called as DE where it is the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle. So I'm considering the side AB as well as side AC. So D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So obviously we already know that what is the meaning of midpoint. It is nothing but that point which is going to divide the whole length of the line into two equal half. So AD is equal to DB. Similarly on the side of AC, E is the midpoint. So we can consider that is AE is equal to AC. So what we need to prove, so that line, which line? That is the line DE is parallel to the third side. Which is the third side? Already the two sides are AB and AC. The third side is BC. So DE is parallel to BC. We need to prove. So with respect to the question, I have written the figure. With respect to the figure, I have written the given. In given, it is a triangle ABC where D and E are the midpoints of the sides AB and AC. D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. What we are proving? DE is parallel to BC. So now we will start the proof. It's very simple. We are considering the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, we already know that the length of AD is equal to the length of DB. Why? Because D is the midpoint of AB. So D is the midpoint of AB. So we can write this in the form of AD by DB. So I am going to take DB to the other side of the equals. So it becomes a division. So the whole length will be equal to 1. Or you can also do like this. Divide both the sides by DB. So AD by DB, that is equal to DB by DB. DB by DB is equal to 1. So we'll consider it as equation 1. Similarly, I can write AE is equal to AC. Why? Here E is the midpoint. Is the midpoint of AC. So E is the midpoint of AC. So once again divide both the sides by EC because we need to cancel EC. We need to take the EC to the other side of the equals. We can directly take it out. Otherwise you can divide both the sides by EC. So this becomes on the left hand side becomes AE by EC, that is equal to EC by EC, that is equal to 1. So I will call this one as equation 2. So by equation 1 and 2, what we are able to see, I can write AD by DB, that is equal to 1. Instead of writing 1, that 1 is also equal to AE by EC. So AD by DB is equal to A by EC. It is nothing but the line which is dividing the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Then obviously that line, which is the line? That is D is the line. That line should be parallel to the remaining side of the triangle. Which is the remaining side of the triangle? BC. This is by converse of BPT. So we already know the converse of Thales theorem or base proportionality theorem. That is, if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then it should be parallel to the remaining side. So by keeping that concept in the mind, we have solved this particular problem. We have tried to find out the proof for this one. I hope that you people have understood this particular problem, a very simple problem. Try to work it out once you are able to solve this one. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and please do a comment to the video. If you are new to my channel, please do support by subscribing my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.